Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn F sharp major bar chord. Okay, everybody, F sharp major bar chord. Now remember, the sharp notes basically are one semitone higher than the natural note. For example, this is F major bar chord. Okay? F major bar chord, if you just go one semitone higher, which means from this fret to this one, the distance between these two frets is basically one semitone. Okay? So F major bar chord, and therefore the F sharp major bar chord is here. It's exactly the same finger position as the F major bar chord, you see, which I'm going to show you a little bit later on. All you have to do is just move everything to the second fret by one semitone, to the next fret. Okay? And of course, everything goes else with all the major natural bar chords. Okay, so just to remember, you put your first finger on the second fret, you put your second finger on the third fret, third string, then you put your third finger on fifth string, fourth fret, and then pinky finger goes right here on fourth string, fourth fret. And that's your F sharp major bar chord, sorry. Okay, now make sure you use your fingers, your fingertips, okay? Make sure you use them like little hammers so you can get a clear sound. Do not let your fingers touch the adjacent strings. And always, always remember, your finger, your thumb, should be in the middle of the fretboard. Okay? Not like this, like many people do. Do not do this because you're going to create problem in your wrist. Too much pressure, too much stress for your wrist, and you won't get the results that you want. Always do it like this. So make sure that, as you can see, my finger is vertical to the fretboard. It's like a cross. So therefore, in this way, I have room here, space, between my thumb and my fingers. And that gives a lot of flexibility and space for my fingers to hold the notes, the strings, properly. And you always get a clear sound. Okay? And that's your F sharp major bar chord, my friends. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon, leave a comment, press a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.